As innovation keeps on propelling, we have seen monstrous advancements in the mechanical technology area in the new past. Scientists have recently constructed minuscule xenobots that can organically repeat and even cockroach-propelled robots that can't be crushed. Presently, a group of scientists has constructed the world's littlest remote-controlled strolling robot looking like a minuscule crab that is more modest than an insect. Look at the subtleties right underneath. A group of scientists and specialists from Northwestern University has constructed the smallest remote-controlled robot that looks like a crab. The specialists as of late distributed their work in the Science Robotics Diary to detail their undertaking. Presently, to construct the minuscule crab robot, the specialists utilized a shape memory composite material that accompanies a one-of-a-kind capacity. The material, when worn, can return to its unique shape, and the scientist utilized this very capacity to make the little robot move as well as control its heading. The group utilized a filtering laser bar to remotely warm various spots across the robot's body. At the point when the robot cooled, a slight layer of glass structure returned the disfigured part to its unique shape. This whole cycle was then used by the designers for the crab-molded robot to walk. Moreover, by controlling the headings of the examining laser radiates, they were likewise ready to control the development of the robot this way and that. The minuscule crab robot, which is around a portion of a millimeter wide, isn't compelled to simply strolling. It can twist, wind, creep, turn, and even leap, which is really noteworthy. You can look at a video to perceive how it capacities. Also, the designers behind the venture can construct comparable, minuscule robots in any shape or structure utilizing the ongoing assembling strategy. They likewise accept that their headways are making them one stride nearer to building small robots, equipped for doing common-sense positions in obliged places. Other than a crab-molded robot, the group has additionally fabricated comparable, millimeter-sized robots looking like other little bugs like crickets, scarabs, and inchworms. One thing to note is that these robots are still a work in progress and it stays to be the means by which they are utilized from here on out. Anyway, what is your take on these little robots? Tell us your considerations in the remarks beneath, and remain tuned for additional such fascinating stories.